Sometimes the lack of certain nutrients in the male body impairs efficiency, performance in bed, and can even decrease the size of the member down there. But don't worry, we have the solution for both you and your partner to be very happy at all times. Subscribe to our channel and activate the little bell so you don't miss any video. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you will learn a special recipe that every man should take. 1. Carrot. Carrots help men because of their high vitamin A content. It improves sperm synthesis and quality. Carrots contain vitamins B, E, C, and potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and other trace elements. 2. 5 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain a lot of zinc, which promotes spermatogenesis. With zinc deficiency, the man cannot get a good erection, libido decreases, and there is a hormonal imbalance when there is chronic deficiency of the substance. Not enough sperm are produced and the quality of the sperm is impaired. Before you go to the next ingredient, leave a like. And then, did you? Then let's go to the last ingredient. 3. Ginger. Ginger can stimulate blood circulation and provide a strong blood flow to the genitals. Ginger has a complex effect. It restores male vigor through its direct action on the intimate system and the body as a whole. Finish off with 300 milliliters of water and always drink before bedtime. The recipe is proven and it works, but if you are looking for something faster or your hormones are in need of something stronger, we have a recommendation that is transforming the lives of many men like you to extraordinary performance, and his women have been very grateful for this. Click now on the link in the first comment of this video and check it out. We have reached the end of another video. Don't forget to do everything correctly and to check the link, because it will only be available for the first ones to click. Subscribe to the channel, we have new videos every day, and comment here below what you think. Leave the like and see you in the next video.